Hello everyone. In order to achieve something great, we must keep learning the ropes. What? Learning the ropes? Now what does that mean? So our today's idiom is learn the ropes. Learn the ropes. When one is learning the ropes, then that person is learning a task or a job or any activity, or is trying to know something. So, learn the ropes means to learn or know about something. That something can be a task, an activity, or a job. To learn or know something can be phrased as learn the ropes. Let's understand this more clearly with the help of some examples. Example 1. You need to learn the ropes before starting your own venture. You need to learn the basics of what you are going to start before you actually start it. Simple, right? Let's take one more example. It took me long to learn the ropes. It took me long to learn the ropes. Now, why I have framed this simple sentence? Because I want to tell you that you don't need to frame very complex or compound sentences. Sometimes these idioms or phrases can be used in simple manner. Like in this case, I'm repeating it again. It took me long to learn the ropes. So, whatever activity you are in, you took time to learn about it. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.